I'm Reprops, and today I'm making the Flamethrower from Aliens. I first made a basic template for the Flamethrower, and then I cut out the main body shape, and then I made a layer that had the handles and then the raised area near the front on it, and then I glued all the layers together. I made 4 pieces for the handle, and then I cut out some thin cardboard and put that on the side of all of them. I then put a piece of cardboard underneath the handle to close up the gaps of the layered cardboard. I began the process of covering all of the sides in thin cardboard. I just happened to have a piece long enough to go the length of the body, but you could totally do that in multiple pieces. Made the fuel tank in the back out of some cardboard and some lids, which I made into a tube. I covered the raised section in the front with some duct tape to give it the lined effect that it has. I made the first part of the barrel just out of some cardboard, which I made into a cylinder and then poked a tube through. For the gray barrel on the end, I just used a cardboard tube, which I covered in some layers of cardboard and then cut some strips to make the details out of. I started to make all of the details that go around the Flamethrower out of some cardboard and then using some model kit runners and various screws and knobs that I had. For the slightly curved sections, I just cut out the cardboard and then bent it in with a pen and then glued it on while it was slightly raised. For the fuel tanks, I'm just using some spray paint cans that I glued some details onto and then painted. I painted the main body of the Flamethrower white, and then I hit it with some light gray and some dark gray and some black just to weather it. I painted the nozzle a gunmetal color and then hit it with some black just to weather it a little. I added on some wires and the barrel and then the strap using some model kit runners. This turned out really well. The white really helps to hide some of the flaws in it. I also made a little flame effect out of a flashlight and some hot glue. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, be sure to like and subscribe.